Step 1, open the nozzle changer. On the nozzle changer, you're going to click Open Changer. That's going to open the nozzle changer. You would manually remove all 5 nozzles. The next step is to move the downlinking camera to the center of the first nozzle, nozzle number 1. You can do this by clicking on the X or Y. You want to center the crosshairs to the center of the opening. You can use a box for assistance. Next, you'll click Set, and then OK. As you can see, you get the X and the Y values. The next step is to do the same thing for the second nozzle, nozzle number 2. Center it and set it. Now nozzle number 3. Once it's center, you set it once again for nozzle number 3. Now nozzle number 4. You set it. Now the last nozzle, nozzle number 5. Center it and set it. The next step is to send the machine home. This step will close the nozzle changer. You will now open the nozzle changer window and open the nozzle changer. The next step is to insert all 5 nozzles inside of the nozzle changer. Your next step is to verify the steps on the X and the Y. You can click Go To on nozzle number 1. You click OK. This will take the nozzle stem directly under the first nozzle, and you can align it if it's not perfectly aligned. If you click on the Adjust group, you can adjust all 5 nozzles at once. We'll click on Z and bring the Z down a couple of steps so we can see it more clear. You can do the minor changes if required. You want the stem right centered to the nozzle. We'll bring the Z back up after we're done. And we can uncheck the adjust group. The next step is to verify nozzle 2, 3, 4, and 5. You could click on nozzle 2, click on go to, and then OK. So take the pick and place stem right above the nozzle number 2. You must verify that the nozzle stem is centered to the nozzle. If any changes are needed, you can do it on the main screen by clicking X or Y, depending on the movements that you require. We'll verify nozzle number 3 now. Nozzle number 4 now. Nozzle number 5 now. We will now calculate the Z down. Since the main menu shows nozzle number 4, we're going to practice with nozzle number 4. You want to bring the Z down until you hear the clicking sound. Once you hear the clicking sound, you will add anywhere from 30 to 50 more steps. It clicked at 1300. We set the down for 1350. We'll now bring the Z all the way up before we move the X and the Y. The machine currently has nozzle number 4. Our next step is to close the nozzle changer. This will lock all the nozzles in place. The next step is we're going to use the test mode. We'll try to put back nozzle number 4. Since it's under test, it'll do it one step at a time. Click OK. Second step, click OK. It'll put it back step by step. The last step, you click OK. We'll do this for every nozzle. Now, when you're sure you have all the nozzles with the correct coordinates, you'll uncheck test mode, you'll check enable, and this will do the whole procedure in one step. Click retrieve nozzle on number 1. Now for nozzle number 1, you can put back. You can test for all other nozzles, 2, 3, 4, and 5.